Boys, today we are opening up the new Yu-Gi-Oh set, Magnificent Mavens. So we're going to be hunting for the Pharaoh rares. There is a rarity Pharaoh rare. So there's some pretty cool cards that we can pull out of this set that are the Pharaoh rare. There's a Blue Eyes, Red Eyes. There is Dark Magician Girl, Elemental Hero Neos. So quite a few like really nice cards. Change of Heart. Yeah, there's a bunch. So each display case comes with 5 of these mini boxes. Pretty cool packaging, starlight, like kind of like foil pattern. Show some of the cool cards you get. You get 4 packs in each one, and there's sleeves that come in this too. So let's go ahead and crack into these, and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. All right, so you got 4 packs, and each one comes with a set of sleeves. Pretty nice quality, actually. So those are cool to see. All right, let's get cracking. And the acronym for this set is MAMA. Gravekeeper's Trap with Shizu. For those of you that are familiar with the anime, Metal Reflect Slime, and an Instant Fusion. So each card has 5, or each pack has 5 cards in it. So cool. So obviously I want all the Shizu cards out of this set. There is Skill Drain. That's actually a pretty good one right there. Kelbeck, the Ancient Vanguard, also a nice one in the set. DD Savant Kepler, Witchcraft Urhane, and Striker Ace Kagari, which that is actually, I believe, one of the sleeves that you can get. So nice. That was actually a pretty good pack. So we'll slow roll the first maybe like box or 2, and then we'll start flying through them. The Iris Sword Soul, Exchange of Despair and Hope, Baru Ignister, Relonia, Magistus of Ver, Sky Striker Mecha Widow Anchor. Nice. All right. So last pack of the first mini box. Infinite Impermanence. Sky Striker Ace Token. It's interesting they put tokens into this set. Magician's Restage. Scapegoat. There's a throwback card for you. And Sky Striker Ace. All right, cool. So that was the first mini box. Now we will go into the second one. So we got 4 packs. And we got our sleeves. Yeah, pretty cool sleeves. Definitely pretty cool. All right, let's get into these 4 packs. Infinite Impermanence, Kelbeck, Non-Fusion Area, Sky Striker Ace Ray, and the Sword Soul Supreme Sovereign Chang Ying. Pretty cool. Yeah, so we're still seeing cards that we haven't seen yet. So that's pretty cool. Evenly matched. Medora, the Sword Oracle. There you go. There's a Shizu card. Sword Soul Strife. Shiranui Solitaire, and Witchcrafter Hane. Nice. Witchcrafter cards are all pretty cool too. Sword Soul Grandmaster Yugioh. Pretty nice card. Blast Held by Destiny with Obelisk there in the background. Therion Duke Yule. And there's the Sky Striker Ace Kagari. Sword Soul Auspice Chunjun. Nice. I really want to hit the Blue Eyes in here or the Dark Magician Girl. That'd be pretty awesome. Boral Sword Dragon. Another Sky Striker Ace token. A Legendary Ocean, which is really nice to see this in a ultra rare print. I know it's not a very valuable card, but it's still pretty awesome. G-Golem token. And Sword Soul of Taya. Nice. Pretty cool. All right, we got 3 more boxes for this display case. And there's our sleeves for that box. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, no, this set's actually pretty good. There's a lot of really good reprints of cards that were very expensive, so you can kind of get them more affordable. Really nice arts. Iris Sold Soar. Sky Striker Mobilized Linkage. The Gozen Match. Sky Striker Ace Hayate. And Riliona, the Magistress of the Hair. Nice. Cool. Yeah, really nice set. Pretty happy with it. And the Pharaoh rares is like a chase, or just like, can't really beat that. Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon. Kelbeck, the Ancient Vanguard. Doom Dozer. Sky Striker Mobilize Engage. And Sword Soul Sacred Summit. Appaloosa, Bow of the Goddess. Medoro, the Sword Oracle. Light Imprisoning Mirror. G-Golem Token. And Mayakashi Return. Nice. Yeah, this set kind of doesn't get old. Like, really, really solid cards. Nice reprints. Lightning Storm, there's a good one right there. Lightning Storm. Okay, okay. Blast Held by Destiny. Sword Soul Assessment. Nice. Vampire's Curse. I remember that from Vampire decks back in the day. And Exchange of the Spirit. Nice. What do you guys think about this set so far? Are you digging it? Are you liking the sleeves it comes with? I'll give away 1 set of these sleeves to someone that will comment down below what your favorite card from this set is, and I'll pick a winner a week from video posted date. So let me know down in the comment section what's your favorite card from the set. And also, are you planning on getting any Dark Calling there? The Shark Cannon and Witchcrafter Creation. Yeah, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you like the video, leave a comment, and I'll let you pick any of the sleeves. You can pick whichever one you want. There you go. Yatagarasu, ultra rare. Zeke. The Duke. Cat Shark. And Engage. Totally awesome. It's a nice ultra rare reprint. Witchcrafter Vice Madame. Beautiful Princess. Metal Reflect Slime, and the Auspice. Alright, last pack for that mini box. The Burrow Sword Dragon. Ghost Meets Girl, a Master of Mayakashi Shiranui Saga. Very nice art. Magician's Restage. The Dragon Maid Changeover. And the Sky Striker Ace Shizuki. Alright, last display box. For our sleeves. Very nice. 4 packs. Here we go. We've got the Ice Dragon's Prison. Yugioh, the Ancient Sentinel. Onibamaru Soul Sweeper. A Hero Lives. Witchcrafter Genny. Yeah, there's just like a really good variety in this set. Art doesn't get old. I mean, and look at that. You hit new stuff all the time. Black Luster Soldier, Soldier of Chaos. Very nice. The Witchcrafter Vice Madame. Legendary Ocean. Chaos Hunter. And Dragon Maid Changeover. Alright. Another Black Luster Soldier, Soldier of Chaos. Surgical Striker Hamp. Dark Calling. Sword Soul Sacred Summit. And Sky Striker Mech Shark Cannon. Alright, last pack. Here we go. We got ourselves the Dragon Necro Nether Soul Dragon. Blast Held by Destiny. Sword Soul Blackout. Sword Soul Sinister Sovereign Xing Long Yan. And a Scapegoat. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I still have one more case. I'm going to save it for the next live stream on Monday at 5 p.m. We'll be breaking this open and I'll be giving away some of the sleeves live on stream. So make sure you're there. See if we can finish the video off and pull that Pharoahs rare. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, comment down below, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.